Hello everyone, my name is Viren Parmar and I am a social media marketing consultant. Today I am going to tell you about what are the Facebook best practices for a business. Once you have created a business Facebook page, the real challenge begins. You should regularly create content and engagement with the followers. Here I am going to tell you how to use it to market your product and services. Number 1. Respond to messages. With Facebook Messenger, you can reply to customers as your business page. Your inbox is located at the top of your page when you are signed in as a Facebook page admin. Facebook Messenger has several new tools and updates that make it easy for brands to engage with the customers on the platform, including natural language processing for Messenger bots. Number 2. Use insights to determine the success for your campaigns. Facebook Insights is an analytical tool. It's free to use and it shows data on action taken, page views, the number of people you have reached, the number of post engagements and more. This information can help you measure the effectiveness of your social campaign and how to improve your posts. Number 3. Use publishing tool and schedule posts in the future. You can use Facebook publishing tool to schedule posts to go live in the future. You can also create a videos advertise your business, promote an event, make an offer, write a note and post job application on a Facebook page. It's important to post regularly, at least twice a week. If you find that you are spending too much time on a Facebook each day, try try third-party social media management tools such as Hootsuite or Buffer. While you are creating and scheduling and multiple posts takes time upfront. It saves your time in the long run. Number 4. Know your targeted audience. Facebook has excellent targeting tool. When you are promoting post, you can target specific demographics, location and interest group. In order to have successful ads, you need to know who you are trying to sell to first. Once you know your target audience, use the targeting tool Facebook offers. Number 5. Be personable, not just salesy. Even though you have created a Facebook business page to connect with the customers and ultimately to make sales, your audience doesn't want to see advertisements. Try to create a personable and engaging business Facebook post. Number 6. Offer giveaway and contents. It's difficult to drive organic traffic on a Facebook, but regularly running giveaway and contents help. Before you create a content or giveaway, make sure you understand and are following Facebook rules. Number 7. Create and advertise events. You can create events as a business on group on Facebook. You can invite anyone to these events and pay extra to promote them to targeted audience on a Facebook. Events can be a fun way to engage your audience and turn them into the customer. Number 8. Share relevant content from other sources. It can be time consuming to create and share only original content. Curating content from other sources can save time and efforts. Networking with other sources can also benefit you in other way, and they may share your content in a return. Number 9. Have conversation. Don't just publish a post and then not open a Facebook for a week. Create and share posts on engagement with your audience. Respond to comments, questions and concerns. If you are having conversation with your audience, they are more likely to become your customer. Another way to be engaging on your Facebook is with its polling features. It's similar to Twitter's poll and is a great way to start conversation or get to know your customer's opinion. To create poll, go to your page, mm, go to your page manager and select create a poll from the icon menu. Below the write something box. Number 10. Highlight business milestones. Highlight company milestones and celebrate anniversary on a Facebook. This post usually engage your audience and will make you seem more personable. If you are offering a special promotion for any milestones or anniversaries, promote that on your page as well. Number 11. Use Facebook ads. The best way the best way to reach your desired audience is to run a Facebook ad. While this cost money, they are effective. They are effective because you can choose your target audience based on demographics, behaviors, or contact information. You can choose a daily or overall budget for ads. Select the amount of time and run ads and adjust your desired audience. Facebook tracks the interaction on each promotion you run, which help you develop a highly successful campaign in the future. Number 12. Create a Facebook video. If you are scrolling through your Facebook timeline, you might notice a lot of videos. That's because videos do great on the platform. One way to create a Facebook video is through Facebook Live, which allows you to broadcast to large audience for free. With a Facebook Live, you can have a real-time conversation with followers and give them an inside look at your business.